what's up guys? So right behind me we have a 458 Spyder, and this is a really exciting project because we're going to be wrapping the entire car in an Avery conformed chrome blue. So this entire car is going to get a chrome blue wrap, and then after that we're going to be putting a protection film on the entire thing. So guys, just to show you guys why it's super important to put a protection film, especially on chrome, because it's a really fragile material. But check out just how the vehicle is designed here. This area just gets completely sandblasted if you don't have a protection film. This car has one, but it's not wrapped around the edges, so it actually is getting chipped here. When we're gonna redo it, we're gonna remove this, we're gonna wrap it in chrome, and then we're gonna put the protection film on the entire thing. Wow, so the guys completely disassembled this 458 Spyder. It took them the whole day just to prep the car for wrap. This is the most important part when you're wrapping a car because we want that paint-like finish. Guys, if you don't know anything about this car, it's a mid-engine, 562 horsepower, 7-speed dual clutch transmission, jet track transmission, and this thing is just a rocket. Whoa, check out that mirror finish. He's making chrome look like paint. This is crazy. It doesn't handle like traditional chrome, so it's kind of like wrapping with metal. So it does take a lot more patience, take a lot more time. But I hope you guys like the final result. All right guys, I want to show you guys a little update what's going on with Ferrari. In case you didn't know, chrome is extremely hard to wrap with, and we're doing it on a Ferrari 458, which is not the easiest car to wrap, but we are doing our absolute best and the car is coming out stunning. Let me show you what's going on. So pretty much most of the car is wrapped. We have the front bumper left for tomorrow, the top piece here, and as you can see, this is the rear quarter panel, which I am in the process of removing. And the reason is we're just not happy with the result. So we want to make it extra nice. We want to make sure that it's up to our standards. So we're actually removing it and then we're going to rewrap it. And for those of you who do not know, this stuff is extremely expensive. So just the cost of material for a panel like this, you're looking around $600. But that, you know, at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter how much it costs. We just want to do a good job. We want to deliver only quality. And then after we're done wrapping it, we're going to be doing a protection film on the entire car to prevent it from getting scratched, and also to make sure that he can keep it for easily 2-3 years, because normally chrome is a film that lasts about 6 to 12 months. So he really loves the color and it's coming out really nice. So that's what we're doing on this. So we just finished wrapping up the entire car. This is the final piece that we have to protect. So again, the entire car wrapped in Avery blue conformed chrome. And then what we're gonna do now is me and Tony are gonna be laying the front bumper with the Expel Ultimate Plus protection film. So just prepping the surface now, and we're about to get started. So we're about to pull out this baby. I can't wait for you guys to see it outside in the sun. The team absolutely killed it. Check it out. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Bill. Yeah. We worked really hard on this one. The team absolutely.
I can't believe how much work.
Yeah, that's the thing a lot of people don't understand is how much actually you have to take apart and get around all the edges to make it look like this. So that's
It broke my heart when it came in here and you had all the pieces.
I know. It's okay. We put it all back together for you. It was a diamond in the rough. Diamond in the rough.
Can't thank you enough.
Thank you very much, Bill. I'd shake it.
Hand, but I'm not allowed to.
Yeah, we're only allowed to bow now. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the progress video and obviously the final shots of this video. And maybe Bill will take it around the block for us to hear what this baby sounds like, because it apparently has something. So we're actually here at Ferrari, Quebec. I hope you guys enjoyed the rolling shots, and right now it's here for routine maintenance. The guys at Ferrari, Quebec really do take care of their clients, and they went out of their way to help us make sure that Mr. Upsell had his car here on time for his routine maintenance checks. So guys, if you are shopping for Ferrari, feel free to give Ferrari Quebec a shout. These guys are really, really helpful. JD, Anthony, Umberto, great people. Guys, again, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.